This is a severe weather briefing where we've got severe storms and flash flooding possible for this afternoon and tonight, and our main impact area is northeast Iowa and into southwest Wisconsin. Our main hazards are damaging winds and flash flooding, while there's also an outside risk of seeing some large hail and even an isolated tornado, with the greatest threat of tornado occurring south of US Highway 18. The timing for the storms and potential even more flooding would be 4 to 10 p.m. Rainfall so far, we've already had some flash flooding from Austin down to New Hampton and into the Fayette area, where there's been anywhere on the range from 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Again, these were rainfall reports as of 11 a.m. this morning. When we look at a computer model forecast for the total rainfall going through tonight, you can see with a lot of these blues and even into the purples, those are about 1 to 3 inches of rain. But as you get into the reds and even those pinks, you're looking at higher amounts of 4 to 5 inches. And you can see that a lot of these line up from northeast Iowa and into southwest Wisconsin. So that is again our greatest threat area for both flooding and severe weather. So if we go on the potential risk levels for various severe hazards, the tornadoes, again, an isolated threat of those south of US Highway 18. Damage winds, definitely a concern. And then large hail, maybe an isolated risk of that. And then the other concern, of course, being flooding. Given how saturated we've been, we get 1 to 3 inches. That's going to just exacerbate any ongoing flooding, create new flooding, especially over areas that have seen a lot of rain recently. And locally higher amounts are possible again. So here's our latest weather story, again depicting the higher chances there, mainly over northeast Iowa and into southwest Wisconsin. Damaging winds and heavy rain, the main threats, with the outside risk of large hail, and again, an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Main time in here again, 4 to 10 p.m. Thank you for viewing.